I want to talk about a topic that touches millions of lives but is still often misunderstood: depression. Depression is not just a feeling which is for 2 days, one day. It is not being a weak or lazy. Depression is a serious mental health condition that makes even simple things like getting out of bed, smiling, or talking to others feel like climbing a mountain. It is like carrying a heavy weight inside your heart that no one else can see. But the important question is, how can we deal with depression? Firstly, accept that it's real. The first step is acceptance. Many people ignore their feelings thinking, I should not feel like this or I just need to be stronger. But depression is not a sign of weakness, it is a condition that requires care. Just like fever or diabetes, when we accept it as real, we allow ourselves to begin healing. Secondly, talk and share. One of the most powerful tool against depression is communicating. Talking about what you feel with a trusted friend, parent, teacher or counselor can make a huge difference. When we speak, we release a little of the pain that is locked inside us. Sometimes just hearing I understand can reduce the loneliness. Remember, you don't have to fight your battles alone. Third, take care of your body. Our body and mind can deeply connected. Simple lifestyle changes can help reduce depression. Getting enough sleep, eating healthy meals instead of skipping food, exercising or even just walking in nature, limiting screen time and harmful habits like smoking or alcohol. Small steps when repeated daily can create big changes in our mental health. Stay connected. Depression makes us want to isolate, but cutting ourselves off only increases the pain. Being around people, family, friends, classmates remind us that we are not alone. Even small things like having tea with someone, helping a friend or joining a community activity can slowly bring back positivity. Develop positive habits. Another way to fight depression is by developing habits that bring peace and joy. Writing in a journal to express emotions, practicing meditation or deep breathing, listening to calming music is setting small achievable goals each day. When we focus on progress, even if it's small, we begin to see hope. Seek professional help when needed. Sometimes depression is too heavy to handle alone. That's when doctors, therapists, or helpline comes in. There is nothing shameful about seeking professional help. It is just like visiting a doctor for a broken bone. Asking for help is actually a sign of strength, not weakness. Hold on to hope. Finally, the most important thing, never lose hope. Depression makes us feel like the darkness will last forever, but it doesn't. Each day, every day is a chance to heal a little more. Remember, scars may remain, but they are proof that you survived and grow stronger. Conclusion, my friends, if you ever face depression or if you know someone who does, remind these words. You are not alone, you are not weak, and with time, support, and courage, you can overcome it. Let us build a society where we do not judge people for their struggles, but support them with kindness and compassion. Together we can create hope where there is despair, light where there is darkness, and strength where there is pain. Thank you.